In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make skies look bolder and more dramatic in Adobe Photoshop. If you've ever taken a photo where the sky looks flat, washed out, or just not as impressive as it looked in real life, this tutorial will help you fix that quickly. We'll go through two different methods. The first method is a fast one-click style technique using Photoshop's sky replacement feature, which is perfect if you want instant dramatic results. The second method is a more professional manual method, where you enhance the sky that already exists in your photo by adjusting color, contrast, and depth. Both techniques are simple to follow and work great for landscape photos, travel shots, and even city photography. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop and creative editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight into Photoshop and start making those skies look amazing. Let's start with the quick method using sky replacement. This is the fastest way to turn a boring sky into something bold and dramatic. With your photo open in Photoshop, go to the top menu and click Edit, then select Sky Replacement. Photoshop will automatically analyze the image and detect the sky area. Once the sky replacement window opens, you'll see a collection of sky presets you can choose from. These include blue skies, sunsets, dramatic cloud formations, and more cinematic-looking skies. Pick a sky that matches the mood you want for your image. As soon as you select a preset, Photoshop will automatically blend the new sky into your photo. Now you can refine the effect using the adjustment sliders on the right side. Start with the brightness slider to control how bright the sky appears. Lowering brightness can make the sky feel deeper and more dramatic, while increasing it can create a lighter atmospheric look. Next, adjust the temperature slider. Moving it toward the warm side adds golden tones, while moving it toward the cool side gives the sky a deeper blue appearance. You can also adjust the scale slider to make the clouds appear larger or smaller within the scene. Take a moment to experiment with these settings until the sky looks natural and powerful without overpowering the rest of the image. Once you're happy with the result, click OK and Photoshop will apply the new dramatic sky to your photo automatically. Now let's look at the more professional manual method. This technique enhances the real sky in your photo instead of replacing it, which often gives a more natural final result. First, we need to select the sky area. Go to the top menu, click Select, and then choose Sky. Photoshop uses AI to automatically detect and select the sky portion of your image. In most cases, it does an excellent job isolating the clouds and horizon. Once the sky is selected, the next step is to boost the color intensity. Go to the Adjustments panel and create a Hue and Saturation adjustment layer. Because the sky was already selected, Photoshop will automatically apply the adjustment only to the sky area using a mask. Now increase the saturation slider somewhere between +20 and +40. This makes the blues richer and the clouds stand out more. After that, slightly decrease the lightness slider just a little. Darkening the sky slightly helps add depth and gives the image a more dramatic mood. Next, we'll add contrast to bring out the details in the clouds. Create another adjustment layer and choose Curves. In the Curves panel, create a subtle S-curve. Click in the upper portion of the curve and drag it slightly upward to brighten the highlights. Then click in the lower portion and drag it slightly downward to deepen the shadows. This simple S-curve increases contrast and makes the cloud shapes look much more dramatic and defined. Small adjustments usually work best here, so don't overdo it. And that's it. Those are two powerful ways to create bolder skies in Adobe Photoshop, whether you want a quick dramatic sky replacement or a more natural professional enhancement. If this tutorial helped you improve your photos, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips, editing tutorials, and creative techniques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.